traumatically losing my 18-year-old child in a horrendous and very preventable 22-vehicle crash with an 18-wheeled semi-truck driven by a non-English-speaking driver.
That's Melissa Desian addressing commissioners in June. Proposed legislation called Connor's Law is named after her son, an 18-year-old Creekside High School graduate killed on I-95. Liz Ryan has an update.
A heartbroken mother relives that tragic night.
That semi-driver sped past a roadside digital message board containing the warning, "Slow down, crash ahead." My son Connor and 21 other passenger vehicles were at a standstill in the middle of I-95 South awaiting a previous crash when he was struck from behind by an 80,000-pound vehicle moving at 70 miles per hour.
While Connor's family maintains the crash never would have happened if the driver was proficient in English and able to read the warning signs, data pulled from the semi-truck showed the driver had set the cruise control to 70 miles per hour and had failed to brake until 1 second before the crash, and was fatigued after driving for approximately 25 hours straight. James Lamb, executive director of the Small Business and Transportation Coalition, wrote Connor's Law.
The first component is making sure that the states test for English proficiency before they give out a CDL. The second part of Connor's Law is if somebody slips through the cracks and law enforcement finds them on the road and they don't speak English like they're supposed to, they should be stopped from continuing to drive. At that point, we could have a serious accident like with Connor or with the latest 3 people that were killed by Mr. Singh, who also did not speak English.
He's enlisted the help of Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy.
We've put in a petition for a decertification order so that the states can no longer issue any CDLs to anyone so long as they are not confirming that the applicant does speak English.
He's also reached out to the Attorney General.
They should investigate California and, quite frankly, other states like Washington. We think that there's a RICO case to be made because the states are accepting federal funds for the CDL program and they are not doing what they are required to do.
Secretary Duffy will be making a statement at 9 a.m. this morning from the U.S. Department of Transportation headquarters. For St. Augustine's Local Morning News, I'm Liz Ryan.
This local news is a service of your hometown Toyota dealer, Beaver Toyota in St. Augustine, conveniently located off I-95 at exit 311.
It's been very well received. Our middle school and elementary school administrative teams are doing a great job, making sure people are aware of that.
St. Johns County Public Schools have a new policy in place this year for cell phones.
District Chief of Staff Paul Abatanozzi says they've updated their policy in accordance with new legislation.
We've always had a cell phone policy with regards to, off and away and stored and so forth. But this year, legislation had changed, came out with regards to House Bill 1105. And really that spelled out some parameters for K through 8 students. So there is no cell phone use for K through 8, where grades 9 through 12, there can be cell phone use in designated areas that are established by the school principal or in the classroom under the teacher's permission.
Abatanozzi with clarification on policy for younger students.
At the middle school level and the elementary school level, they can have cell phones in their possession. They have to be off, away, in the backpacks. But they will not be utilized at all during the day. And that language has actually been updated as part of in our code of conduct with regards to the new expectations related to cell phones and so forth.
Tomorrow we'll hear more from Abatanozzi on the start to this school year. I'm Daryl Moody reporting.
St. Johns County launches new featured projects webpage to enhance government transparency.
St. Johns County is proud to announce the launch of its new Featured Projects webpage. Wayne Larson, St. Johns County Director of Public Affairs.
sjcfl.us/featured projects is a storyboard of a list of projects, including detailed information on the status of projects, the timelines of when we get projects started and completed, even the funding details of the capital project.
And the webpage offers a close-up view.
And you can even get information on the project manager to give them a call or email them if you have detailed questions about a project in your neighborhood. And so we're really happy to announce the new Featured Projects webpage.
Wayne Larson. With St. Augustine's Local Morning News, I'm Karen Johnson.
And now you're up to date with St. Augustine's Local Morning News. I'm Rich Carroll.